Hey, it's Trent from Whip Around, and today we're covering Idyllic's 60 seconds of safety. Today's safety tip is get rid of paper for inspections and maintenance. Historically, paper has been used for pre- and post-trip inspections, as well as scheduled maintenance service tasks and work orders. The problem is that paper leaves too many gaps in this process. In result, your fleet lacks safety. When items are missed on inspections and maintenance is overlooked, tires start to blow, engines start to blow, and compliance starts to take an overall hit. So get rid of the paper processes and switch to something reliable and digital, like Whip Around. Shameless plug? Yes, but we do improve your fleet safety. And isn't that what this is all about? Having a reliable and accurate system in place for your pre- and post-trip inspections, as well as maintenance, will guarantee you a safer fleet. So if you're still on outdated systems for inspections and maintenance, it's time for a change. Find a digital and reliable solution for inspections and maintenance so that you can operate a safer fleet. How do we do? Make it in time? Sweet.